Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who've been subscribed to this channel, who do support me, who like, who comment, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And to those who are here for the first time, this channel is about business, fashion and lifestyle vlogs in Zimbabwe. So if you do like it here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button here, right here on my left side. Is it left side? Yes. And do give this video a huge thumbs up, and also do comment down below. I would love to hear your suggestions, your views. It does really also help the channel grow, guys. And thank you guys for 700 subscribers. I do not take it for granted. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Let's push this channel to get to 1000 subscribers, guys. I also want to be monetized. So please do hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, in order for you to be notified each and every time I post. Today we're doing yet another unboxing, and it is a culture in this family, guys. Those who are new, it is a culture that we unbox together. So hence that's why I'm unboxing in my bedroom today. It's around 8 p.m. I didn't get the chance to do this video in the afternoon. I was busy. I have a package, and I'm doing this right now because I need to start advertising these things before I need to make sure that I start gathering up all my photos for advertising, and also I need to pay my Facebook ad in order to make it an advert which will be seen by everyone. So I'm doing this today because I do not want to end up unboxing at night and then I'll be like, okay. So this year we are unboxing every box together. I'll try to keep to my word. Okay, so let's get into the I was waiting for these things, guys. So if I get the chance and the opportunity, okay, I'm so excited. If I get the chance and opportunity to dress up, maybe tomorrow I'll do so, and also just plug videos for the items, because I think some of the things have my sizes, and some of the things are orders, and some of the things are just things which I bought randomly, so that I resell, because it doesn't make sense to buy things less than 10 kgs or less than 5 kgs. Okay, yeah, my minimum normally is 5 kgs, and if it's not 5 kgs, it's normally 2 kgs. I do buy smaller things like accessories, like sunglasses. They'll be like 2 kgs because they do not have weight, but I try by all means to buy things which are more than 5 kgs. So these things are people's orders, and the things, okay, just to make this video fast, the things which I would have unboxed with you, I'll not remove them from their plastics. I'll just keep them from the plastics, and then I will remove those things which I know I haven't unboxed with you. I think that's a fair deal, and I'll then leave the videos which I would have unboxed that item on the description box for all those who are new in this channel. So yeah, let's start our video. The unboxing will start with this outfit. I will not remove this one because I think there's a video of me unboxing this set. I'll just plug the photo, so I'll not remove them. I think I bought extra sets because there are people who wanted these, but I'll not remove them from their plastics, because already we unboxed them some time back. So please do, if you're new, please do go to my description box and find the video when I was unboxing those. I'll leave just the pictures. So that's I'll just start by looking for all the things I have unboxed before. I've unboxed this before as well. I'll leave a picture and also just the video down on my description box. It's a white blouse. Okay, I'll not unbox this. This is a leather jacket. It's a leather jacket. I will leave a I'll just plug the picture and leave the video on the description box. What else do we have? Guys, these are our new outfits which I bought. I think I like these. Let's see. It's shorts, and just have a look at the material. So yeah, these I bought them for I bought extras for these. There are people who ordered them. I bought this color, and I also did buy a different color. Let me just show you the other color. Oh, I'm so mad at this company, guys. They did not put one of the leather jackets they were supposed to put. It's not there. I'm so mad at them. Hey, their XXL looks small. This is the other color of the outfit. The outfits really look nice. These are the shorts. They look so nice. This is so lovely, guys. It's a medium. These things are small cuts. Chinese are really small. So this is unfortunately the only new things in my online boutique. These are the only new things which I received from this package. I was supposed to receive a different design of a leather jacket from these things. I'm just so disappointed because I can't find it. The following day, I was called by my shipping agent saying that they found another package. I had paid for this package, but they didn't give me. I also didn't realize it on the receipts that I had two packages. I just thought it was just one package since it was coming from the same company. But yeah, that was the leather jacket. How I felt about the leather jacket, the quality isn't as the other leather jackets I sell. The quality is less nice, and though the jacket is the design is of new trends, I didn't like the material, but it's not so bad. It's something which someone can wear. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Most of the things you have seen, so I didn't want to bore you, especially for those who are my regulars here. I didn't want to bore you with the same things, but definitely with the sets, I hope you loved them. So till we meet on the next one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.